You know, I tried to push Michelle away. I did, keep her away from all this. But she wouldn't leave me.
She wanted to break the mob, Danny. She wanted to set you
No,
free.
she didn't, O'Neill. She wanted a normal life. She wanted to be my wife and a mother and a doctor. That's it. That's it.
Yeah, well, I guess you really screwed that up for her, didn't you?
What did you say?
You heard me. You're acting like you're the victim here. You're not. You want to feel bad for Michelle. You want to feel bad for yourself. You want to hate me.
Why are you here? You've got what you need. You've got Vinny planning Eden's death. I'll testify to that. Call whoever you need to call.
No, Danny.
And be done with it.
Salerno, without a connection to Spaulding, is only half the game.
It's
You know
enough
that.
to put him away,
It's not
O'Neill.
enough to put him away for life. Danny, you've got to stay on this. You've got to stay on Salerno.
I don't know if my wife is going to live or die. You know what? I will bring down Salerno, but not for you. Not for you. For Michelle. And that means I'm going to do whatever I want.
Careful, Danny.
I'm going to do whatever I want. So you just hang in for the ride and stay out of my way. Got it?
Danny, Rick's time.
Rick, tell me she's gonna live. Rick, tell me Michelle's gonna live.
She got through surgery just fine.
She's gonna live.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Honey, I couldn't have got through this without you.
Oh, you're not alone, baby.
Way to go, Rick. Good job,
We're
buddy.
getting her set up in ICU.
So, doctor, what is the prognosis?
A full recovery, we hope.
What do you mean, we hope?
Danny, she's very, very weak, and she's still unconscious.
Okay, well, for how long?
It's hard to say. Look, all we can do at this point is focus on the positive. Despite the force of the blast, none of her vital organs were damaged.
There's something you're not telling me. What? What are you not telling me? What?
Michelle's in a coma.
For how long?
Danny, we can't predict these sort of things.
All we can do right now at this point is just take this day by day and just pray that she comes out of it.
Well, Rick, there's got to be something we can do.
Yeah, Frank, actually there is. That's why I'm grateful that you're all here. Obviously, my little sister is going to need every single one of you. So just hearing your voices from the people that love her and care about her is going to be very important to her recovery. So I would appreciate you guys doing that. So on that note, I'm gonna get her set up, and you know, I'll come back and let you know when you can see her. Okay?
Rick, what if she doesn't come out of it soon?
We stick with her until she does, Danny. My little sister's a tough kid. Right now, she needs all the strength that we can muster. Let's go.
Hey, Danny, listen, we're going to go to company, get a bite to eat. You know, if you want anything.
Talk? Thanks.
Yeah,
thank you. Thanks. Everybody, I really appreciate everything. It means a lot to Michelle that you're here. Thank you.
I'll be in touch with you later about the investigation, all right?
Bill managed to get through to my dad, gave him the update.
Can I go in now?
Yeah, sure, I'll be at the desk. Just talk to her, Daddy. You know what to say.
Hi, honey.
Michelle, I need you. So does Bobby. Please, come back to us. I'm so sorry I didn't tell you about the warehouse. It wasn't worth it. Please, please come back. Give me a chance to make it up to you. Honey, please. You're my life. You've always been my life. It's always been you. Hey. She's in a coma. Rick says that all we can do is wait and keep talking to her.
Talk to her, huh?
Yeah. They think that coma patients can hear people talking to them. Tony.
Yeah.
Thank you for saving her. Thank you.
You don't need to thank me, Danny. It's good.
Yeah. I need to check on my son. Will you mind sitting with her and
Yeah.
talk to her?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey there, it's Danny. Well, she made it through surgery, but she's still unconscious. Yeah. How's Robbie? Oh, well. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Oh, yeah? Wow, that sounds like fun. You want to talk to Mommy? Mommy can't talk to you right now, buddy. She's sleeping. Yeah, she's taking a nap. And, I'd love to wake her up so she could talk to you, but we need to let Mommy rest right now. Okay? Okay, I'll tell her. And she misses you, too. And, hey, she wants you to keep having fun there with Uncle Mike. All right? Okay. Hey, who loves you? Yeah, your mommy does, that's right. Who else? Your daddy, right. Okay, buddy, I gotta go right now. Okay, all right, you go play with the puppy, and I'll call you later. Okay. Bye-bye.
This just came by messenger.
Oh. My prayers are with you. Vinny used to let her know. You do me a favor. Give those to somebody who needs them. Thank you.